two magnets up here, and I have two charges. Tell me, what are they going to do? I'm going to take attendance really quick while you guys work on this, okay? Okay. Yeah, so if I have, oh, DC, it's been crazy. Woohoo. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so I have two magnets up there. Both of them have the south poles facing each other. That means they will repel. You are correct. Absolutely 100%. Likes repel. Now look at those charges down there, right? Those charges are both negatives, right? So are they going to attract or are they going to repel if they are both alike? What do you think? Repel. Yeah, Jalea. Yeah, absolutely. They are going to repel. Exactly. Good, 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 good. Um, Likes repel, opposites attract, right? So if it was a positive and a negative, then it would have an attractive force, right? Okay, so I have a question for you. Here's a trick. Yesterday we talked about balloons, right? And how you could rub a balloon um, and pick up electrons and make it negative, right? And we saw how a negatively charged balloon held up next to a water faucet made that water kind of curl towards the balloon, right? What if I took two balloons and I rubbed my hair with two balloons? And then I put the balloons next to each other. What would the balloons be attracted to each other or would they be repelled? Yeah, if I rub my hair with the balloons, which is friction, right? And then I held up the two balloons, would it attract or would it repel? Yeah. Okay. So what are the balloons getting off my head from the friction? What's it doing? Okay. I have a little video clip that we're going to watch. Okay. Just kind of reviews yesterday. Okay. So yeah, because they are both picking up electrons from my hair, they would repel each other just like this, if this was a negative charge on a balloon and this was a negative charge on a balloon, right? Crazy, 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 crazy. Yep. Okay. So as always, let's class norms and expectations. Please remember, do not share any personal information. Keep your behavior, language, and webcam school appropriate at all times. I dearly love your participation and engagement. Thank you, thank you, thank you for that. And last but not least, don't forget Class Connect sessions will be recorded for learning purposes. Today is Wednesday. And we're going to be talking about charges. Okay. Um, tomorrow is a work day. Okay. Don't forget that our unit 4 article project is due tomorrow. Okay. It's worth over 12% of your grade. And so make sure that you don't leave any blanks, no random answers. If the question asks you to choose 2 key sentences from the paragraph, it is not multiple choice. It's all free response. Yeah. If it asks for you to pick 2 key sentences, make sure that the sentences are key to the article, not a sentence just because you like it. Okay. It should be important to the article, okay, for it to be a key sentence. Okay. So that's due tomorrow. Okay. Don't forget that. We are working through Unit 5. And we're going to be talking about electrical charge today. At the end of this unit, we'll have another exam, but it's going to be done in class, not on your work days. So I am going to drop your notes in the chat. Okay, let me know. Give me a thumbs up when you have those open and you're ready to go. We are going to be talking about charges today. So by the end of today, you should be able to define what a conductor is, what a insulator is, be able to draw electrical fields of positive, negative charges, and when they interact. Okay. Thank you, Tatiana. Who else has their notes open? Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Pacifico. Thank you, Jalea. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Errol. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Pamela. Kira, Becky. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Tatiana. Awesome. Okay. So don't forget to turn those in and by the end of class and make a 60 or better and you'll get your attendance points, right? I'm glad, Sierra. Thank you. Okay. So I am not advocating for you to play with electrical outlets, but tell me, if you needed to touch the wires in an electrical outlet, would it be better to use rubber gloves or metal pliers? And why? Why rubber gloves, Grace? Pacifico, why? Jennifer, why? Why would you not want to use those metal pliers? Yeah, yeah. Oh, Pacifico, man, look at that. Tatiana. Man, today's going to be all review for you guys. Yeah, so rubber is a good insulator, right? Because it doesn't conduct electricity. Metal attracts and conducts that electricity. And you don't want that because you will get electrocuted. Exactly right. Absolutely. if you guys ever do have to work with outlets, please, please, please not only use rubber gloves, but turn off the electricity before you even take that cover off, okay? Oh, Pacifico, so smart. So smart. Yep, exactly. Good job. Okay. So yeah, conductors transmit or allow the flow of electrical charge from one place to another, right? Whereas insulators inhibit or prevent that flow of electrical charge. Metals are always good conductors, okay? Non-metals like rubber, plastic, wood, glass, air are all good insulators. Now, in addition to metals, ionic compounds are also great conductors, okay? So, for example, salt water, okay? Water itself is a pretty good conductor. That's why our electronics don't do very well when they get wet. They short circuit, okay? But when you add salt, which is sodium chloride, to water, it makes it an even better conductor, okay? So that's why you don't want to get your phone wet at the beach. Thank you, Yosef and Tatiana. Thank you, Kira and Maddie. Thank you, Ryan and Rylan, Emily R, Errol, Grace, Gwen, Pacifico. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Jalea and Sierra, Christina and Antoine. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I want you to now take your annotation tools, okay, and go ahead and match up those items. Are they good insulators or are they conductors? Yes. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Excellent. Great job, guys. Perfect. Okay, I am going to move this to a little bit cleaner slide for you so you can make sure you're correct on question number 3. Thank you, Julia. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Grace and Pacifico. Thank you, Kira. Thank you, Becky. Thank you, Rylan. Thank you, Yosef. How's it going, Tatiana? Sophia, you good? Regina, Pamela, you good? Thank you. Jennifer, you good? Errol, Emily R, doing okay? Emily L, yeah, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome. Okay, now when we talk about charges, okay, also draw these electric field lines to show you if they are positive or negative charges and how strong the charges are, okay? So when you see this picture of a circle with arrows leaving it or arrows coming to it, those are called electrical field lines, okay? If it's a positive charge, these arrows will always be leaving that circle dot in the middle, okay? A good way to remember that is if you are a positive person, you emit or give away positive vibes wherever you go, okay? Also, we can tell how strong of a charge it is by the number of lines and how close the lines are together, okay? So, for example, Okay, if you look at this picture right here, you'll notice right next to the positive charge, the lines are super close together. And so the field, that force, is stronger right next to the charge. But further away, you can see the lines are further apart. They're more distant, right? So the charge is weaker as we get farther away. So this is a positive charge because the arrows are going away from that charge in the middle. Okay. So thank you, Christina and Sierra and Jalea, DC, Emily L, Errol, thank you, Grace and Gwen. Thank you, Pacifico and Jennifer and Kaylee. Thank you, Kira. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Pamela, Becky, Rylan, Sabrina, Sophia, Tatiana, and Joseph. You guys are amazing. Okay, this is a negative charge. Okay, notice the direction of the arrows. The arrows are coming in towards that center circle, right? Negative charges are greedy, okay, or selfish. So they're holding everything in. That's how I remember, if you see arrows going in, you know it's a negative charge. Now, also, remember I said that you can tell how strong a charge is by the number of lines, right? So if you look at these two diagrams, which one is stronger? Is it the diagram on the left or the diagram on the right? Which one is stronger? The one on the right. Yeah, because there's a lot more lines, right? Notice that both of them are also negative charges because the arrows are going in, right? Exactly. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. So look at this example here. Okay. I have a charge and there's arrows leaving the circle in the middle, right? It's giving things away. Okay. So is this a positive or a negative charge? Is it positive or negative if those arrows are leaving? Okay. What do you think? Yosis, Sabrina, Sophia, what do you think? What do you think, Rylan, Pamela, Maddie, Kira? What do you think? Gwen, let me know what you think. Christina? Yeah? Is it a negative or a positive if the arrows are leaving? Right? Negative or positive? Neutral. Yeah. Okay. The correct answer is positive. Anytime you see arrows leaving, it is positive. Remember, it's giving off positive vibes. It's giving away positive vibes. Okay. So the correct answer is C. Okay. C is the correct answer. Okay. Click the activation tag when you have made sure that your answer is correct for question number 5. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Jalea. Thank you, Errol and Grace. Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, Pacifico, Jennifer, Kaylee, Kara, Maddie, Becky, Ryland, Sabrina, Sophia, Tatiana. Thank you. And thank you, Joseph. Perfect. Amazeballs. Okay. Which one of these is stronger? Tell me in the chat box. Okay. Which one is strongest? A, B, or C? Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, it's C because it has the most lines, right? Now look at those arrows. Is this a positive or a negative charge? Positive. Yep, exactly. Good job. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, so correct answer is C for question 6. Okay, again, click on the A for me. Let me know that you are done and ready to go to question 7. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Tatiana. Thank you, Kara. Thank you, Ryan and Rylan. Thank you, Errol, Grace, Gwen, Pacifico. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Sierra. C. The correct answer is C. Yay! That makes me happy. Thank you. Does it help if I tell you this is one of my favorite classes? Really is. You guys are amazing. You guys are so, so great to teach. I love it. Yes, Jennifer. Absolutely. Okie dokie. So that's question number 6. Now, question 7 on your own. Which one is a weak negative? Weak negative. Okay. If you want to private message me, you can also let me know. Pacifico, yes. Jennifer, no. Although, Jennifer, that is negative. It's not weak. Okay. Jalea, yes. Sierra, yes. Rylan, no. Okay. Rylan, you're correct in that that's negative, but it's not weak. Okay. Kira, yes. Gwen, no. It is negative, but it's not weak. Maddie, yes. Grace, no. That is negative, but it's not weak. Jennifer, yes. Sabrina, yes. Christina, yes. Christina, no. Look at those arrows. We're looking for a negative. Okay. Jennifer, no. Okay. Remember, if it's positive, it's giving off positive vibes. And that would be arrows going away, right? Okay. Gwen, yes. Pamela, no. Although that is negative, it's not weak. Grace, no. Look at the direction of the arrows. That's a positive. Emily R, yes. DC, woohoo. Christina, yes. Jennifer, yes. Oh, DC, thank you. Pamela, yes. Antoine, yes, it was. Are you giving that to somebody? Did I miss somebody asking? Becky, yes. Grace, yes. Absolutely. Antoine, that is negative. It is negative, but it's not a weak negative. Joseph, no. Okay. Look at those arrows. That's a positive. Okay. Antoine, yes. Joseph, that's still a positive charge. Look at the direction of the arrows. Do you see the arrows are going away from the middle? That means it's positive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that is negative, but it's not a weak negative. Got it. Good, good, good. Okay, I think we're good. So, Here, we've got two equal charges, okay? I know they're equal charges because they're both have the same number of lines, right? And they're both positives because the arrows are going away from the charge, right? They're traveling outward. And that's what makes two like positives repel. They're pushing away from each other, okay? If I have two negatives, right? Again, they're repelling, they're pushing each other away. And can you see all the arrows are coming in to the negative charge, but they're repelling each other because they're going in towards each of the charges, right? Away from the other, right? Now, check out what happens though if they are opposite charges. All of a sudden, with opposite charges, the lines, the electrical field now goes and travels from positive to negative, right? Always from positive to negative. And so this is what attracts the two opposite charges. This is what creates that attractive field, that attractive force, okay? So match up what you just saw with these charges that are interacting. If you have two positive charges, they're going to be outward lines that repel, exactly. Two negative charges are inward lines that repel. And then your opposites, of course, attract, and they go from one charge to the next. Exactly right. Awesome. Perfect. Thank you, guys. Okay, there you go. A little bit. Let me know how you're doing. Click on the A when you are finished. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Chalia. Thank you, Errol. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Gwen. Thank you, Pacifico. Thank you, Kara. Thank you, Becky, Ryan, Tatiana, Joseph. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Maze balls. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Antoine. Christina. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Perfect. Okay. So with this one, okay, we've got two charges. Okay. Look at the one on the left. The charge on the left. Is that positive or negative? And is it small or large? Okay. Just the one on the left. Okay. Is it positive or negative, big or small? It is small positive. Exactly right. Yeah. The arrows are going away from it, and there's very few lines. So it's small and it's positive. Yep, 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 yep. And then the one on the right is what? Large and positive. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Pacifica and Kura and Jalea. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, exactly right. Perfect. So you can see the number of lines are the big difference between these, right? The small one's on the left and the big one is on the right. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Whoa, what is this? Okay. What is on the left? First, what's on the left? Is it so a small negative? Look at those arrows. The one on the left. I see arrows going away. So it's a small positive. Yep, 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 yep. The one on the left is a small positive. What's the one on the right? Large negative. Kara, yeah, absolutely. 100%. Pacifico agrees too. Yeah, absolutely. Sierra says yes too. Yep, 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 yep. Okay. So again, this on the left is a weak or a small positive, and Pacifico, it's pulling in all the positives. Yeah. And that's the negative. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. Okay. So this one, okay, this one on the left is what? Yeah, it's a small negative. Exactly. Good job. And then the right, large negative. Yeah, because lots more lines. And the arrows are all going in, so it's a negative. Exactly. Perfect. Okay, so this one, complete on your own. Again, check in and private message me. You can. Okay. Um, Rylan, no. One of them is yes. Pacifico, yes. Gwen, yes. Jennifer, yes. Becky, yeah. Christina. That's so funny. Um, Kira, yes. That's okay. Just open it back up and redo it and you'll get 100. That's awesome. Sierra, yeah, exactly. Sabrina, yeah. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Pamela, yes. Absolutely. You got it. Oh no, Pacifico. Joseph. Um, on the one on the left is positive. Yeah. But look at all those lines. Do you see how many lines there are? That makes it a large positive. And then the one on the right has fewer lines. Oh no, Christina. I'm so sorry. It didn't save them for you? Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought they're supposed to. I thought they were supposed to save all the ones that you get correct and only make you redo the ones that you get wrong. Yes, Joseph. Yeah, 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 yeah. Exactly. Okay. So how are you guys feeling? Maybe that's, yeah, Pacifico. That might be it. Christina, at the end, okay, hang out with me, okay? I've got a few minutes, yeah. Okay, so if you're feeling okay, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. Have a great one. Bye, guys. See you Friday.